Happy Halloween, everyone!
I'm Wizard Tùng.
And I'm Wizard Ling.
Today we will make a finger puppet for Halloween.
Where is it? Can you show it to the audience?
Yes.
That's it. So, let's start.
First, we need to prepare something.
Let's make a list. First, we need fabrics
and some needle
and threads. And this one is some tapes. Yes. So let's get started, okay?
Okay. Today I will make a black cat.
A black cat. So you choose it to make a black cat. And what about me? I think I will make a ghost.
So scary.
Or a pumpkin, like this. First, we will cut 2 pieces of fabric. You have to fold this like this, and we cut it off. My pumpkin is yellow.
My black cat is black.
Yeah, so we have
2 pieces like this.
Where's your 2 pieces? Where are your 2 pieces?
Yeah,
okay. Step 2, we sew these 2 pieces together with needles and threads. Okay. Smiling black cat. Sounds so cool. So what do you often do in Halloween every year?
I often go to the shop and buy some scary face.
Scary faces?
Yes.
Or something that you mentioned that you cook some soup, right?
Yes.
What kind of soup?
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin soup. Sounds cool.
I don't like face.
So, do you think Halloween is fun?
In Vietnam, we don't celebrate this, but I think it's fun. I think.
I agree with you.
Alright, we can show every detail.
Let's finish our puppets with small details. My pumpkin will need 2 eyes and a mouth.
And the cat need eyes, the mouth,
and
some teeth. Whiskers.
So yeah, let's start.
Let's start.
And we will need tapes. Happy Halloween to everyone.
Happy Halloween to everyone.
Everything is done, prepare for fun. Happy Halloween to everyone. Easy. Wow, the whiskers, you have that.
Woo! Finish.
The whisker is a little bit long, right?
Yes.
It's okay.
No. Ta-da! It's my black cat. Look, it's so angry.
Angry cat.
Yes.
Angry and hungry. Yeah. Double savage. And this one is a pumpkin, and this one I don't know what is this, but it can be a monster or a pineapple. It's up to you.
I'm so hungry. Do you think it's easy? I think it's normal. It's not hard and not easy.
So that is one of our crafting class at Delfin. If you want to try to make something cool, just drop by and we can try it. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah. So thank you for
watching. See you again.
Bye.
Happy Halloween to everyone. Happy Halloween to everyone. Everything is done. Prepare for some fun. Happy Halloween for everyone. Woo!